Praveen Khandelwal is the BJP's candidate from Chandni Chowk. He's joining us on the broadcast. Good morning, Mr. Khandelwal. A big day for you today. What are you expecting?
Well, certainly it is a big day, not only for me but for the country as well. We are going to register a very sound victory with a comfortable margin in Chandni Chowk, whereas the Bharatiya Janata Party is all set to retain all the 7 seats of parliament in Delhi, and at national level. Undoubtedly, the Bharatiya Janata Party is going to form a very nationalist and stable government under the leadership of Prime Minister Shri Narendra Modi. So there is absolutely no doubt, and we are coming with the flying colors.
चलिए, but sir, despite having swept Delhi in the last 2 elections, पिछली बार का तो आपका आंकड़ा 7 out of 7 था, the BJP still changed candidates in most of the seats this time. Is that an acknowledgement of the threat posed by anti-incumbency against your party?
Absolutely not, and rather I would say that there was pro-incumbency and not anti-incumbency. And as far as the change of names of the candidates is concerned, Bharatiya Janata Party is a cadre-based organization, and therefore the party decides the role of individuals different times for different roles. So there is absolutely no replacement at all. It is all, it is all,
Okay.
if I say, is the decision of the organization to depute the individuals for certain responsibilities. So therefore, there is absolutely no anti-incumbency, and the people of Delhi and particularly in Chandni Chowk were certainly thrilled by the performance of Prime Minister Narendra Modi government in past 10 years, which has gained enormous confidence in the mind and heart of the people, which I saw during my campaign when people whom I even don't know, they don't know me as well. They were coming forward with all those aspirations in their eyes, and they were confident that yes, the Bharatiya Janata Party and Prime Minister Modi is the only viable option that on which they can rely on. So therefore, there was no anti-incumbency. Rather, I would reiterate, it was pro-incumbency.
Okay, Mr. Khandelwal, thank you very much for joining us and all the very best for today. May the best man/woman/party win.